How to watch YouTube without ads. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can watch TikTok videos without any ads. So let's get started. First step that you'll need to take is simply open up your TikTok. Now, what we'll do here is not the solution direct, but a few ways how you can watch TikTok without any ads. So if you open up your TikTok and if you start browsing any videos, you'll notice that you will face ads, sometimes one, sometimes two, and sometimes in the middle of a video. So if you don't want that and you want to watch YouTube without any ads, you'll need to buy YouTube Premium. Now, if you tap on your profile icon right here, if you tap on this and head over to purchase and membership, you will see you can the different options or different packages you can get for YouTube, and that will be without any ads. Now let's move on to this free of cost, and to do that you'll need to use a browser called Brave. So if you simply download a browser called Brave, you can start streaming YouTube videos without any ads. So head over to youtube.com in the Brave browser and you won't be facing any ads. Now this is because the browser itself blocks any kind of ads that other websites including YouTube has, and stops showing you the ads. And yeah, that's the basic and the easiest way you can watch YouTube without any ads, and it's completely free as well. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. If you guys are new to AH, head down below and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.